Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel and I just want to share ang Shopee find natin for today. Ang KONKA 4-liter humidifier. Ayan. Ang bilis niya po dumating, parang 3 days lang. From the KONKA official store, which I purchased at a discounted price na 813 lang. With the shipping, 889. Ayan. Ayan. I just found out kasi na maganda pala ang humidifier, lalo na kung naka-aircon kapag natutulog. Minsan kasi nagising ako, umuubo, at parang dry na dry yung throat ko. And I searched about it, at ito na nga ang solusyon. And it's a natural way for you to moisturize and rehydrate your skin while sleeping. The natural way, di ba? For that glowing skin, it is an added, regimen for you people out there. The dimension is only 10 inches in height and 6.5 inches in width. So, kasyang-kasya to. Kasing laki ng alon ng paso. Kita nyo? Yan. Very aesthetic din. White and bronze. Ang ganda ng color. Yan. Looking at the inside, yan, may sprayed nozzle at top which is detachable. Tanggalin yung sponge na nasa ilalim. At nakikita natin ang built-in independent aroma therapy groove. Yan. Looks sturdy, made of plastic pero makapal naman siya at magaan lang. Madali lang din lagyan ng tubig and it has a 4-liter capacity. Yan. Ang dami. Matagal maubos yan. Yan. Hindi to sponsored pero natuwa lang talaga ako sa na-discover ko and I will link the description below. Time check is 11 PM. Patulog na tayo. Pinuno ko na siya ng tubig. Ayan. May allowance lang ng konti. And it's very user-friendly. 2 options. We can just turn it on. And then we can see the blue light coming in after turning it on as well. Ang bilis. Ang bilis niya mag-spray ng mist. Oh, ayos, di ba? Pangmalakasan to. Oh. Ayan. Big spray up to 14 hours daw. But we will try it tonight. Sa normal spray lang. Normal spray lang. Let's try it overnight and sleep muna. Yan. Good morning guys. Ang oras ay alas 11 ng umaga. Puyata-puyata. Okay. So naka blue light pa rin siya. Steady pa rin ang mist on the normal setting. Ayan, masarap din ang tulog. Hindi ako yung nasa video kanina. Okay. Let's try the bigger spray. Ayan, ang lakas. Pangmalakasan na. Ayan. Pwede mo palagyan ng oil kung gusto mo mas mabango. And it will turn red if there's a water shortage daw na kailangan or kailangan ng refill. And with that 11-hour operation, kita nyo, 1/4 lang ang nabawas. So kung normal setting ka lang, baka tumagal ito ng isang buong araw. Kaya maganda siya. That concludes our review and unboxing of the KONKA 4-liter humidifier. On its price point of below 1,000, it's hard to argue. And it serves its purpose as well. Okay? Highly recommended and thank you guys for watching.